Hey Pisces, Yana Speaks here, and in this video I am doing your January 2020 love reading. Cannot believe it's 2020. It's crazy, right? So I want to start off by saying that all of my readings are general, so they may or may not resonate with you. So you have to understand that not every single Pisces is going through the same exact thing. So if you're watching this reading, you're like, it doesn't resonate with me. Well, you may just be going through something different from another Pisces. Please keep that in mind. So if you're finding that this particular reading does not resonate, then it would be probably in your best interest to go ahead and book a private reading with me. All the information to do that will be in the description below. All right. Um, so let's get started by asking your spirit guides, what is your overall energy this month? I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get something out. Okay. So spirit guys, please tell me the Pisces overall energy this month. Please tell me their overall energy this month. What is the Pisces? Okay. The Hangman. We're already starting off with a major arcana. Heavy energy. All right, so we are starting off with the Hangman. If I could pick up the card as your overall energy. So this month, it's funny because we have the Hangman here and we have the Eight of Swords. Okay, and these two really like, they go hand in hand with each other. Okay, so your overall energy this month is like you feel stuck. Okay, you feel like you're in limbo. You feel like you don't know how to move forward. You may feel like this person left you hanging. You may feel like you don't know like what to do next. You don't know how to move on from here. You're just feeling stuck. Okay, you may be feeling trapped in your current situation because you feel so stuck and unhappy and not knowing how to move forward. I'm trying to make this stop shaking if it's possible. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get it to not shake, but anyways, I'm sorry about that, guys. So, you guys are just feeling like I said, stuck. You don't know how to move forward. You feel like you're in limbo. You feel like this person left you hanging. You may feel like you don't know where things are heading between you and this person, and you really just don't know how to take action. So right now you're just stuck. You're just stuck on this person. You're stuck on this situation, and you really don't know how to change the direction of the way things are going. Now, some of you could be dealing with someone who is incarcerated as well. And that could be why you're feeling stuck, because this person is not out and you're really sad about it. But this person just got you stuck. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're just really in limbo. You just don't know how to move forward. Now, I think this is someone that you have committed yourself to. And maybe you were kind of taking like your sweet time to fully commit to this person. Like, it could have been like when you first met them, you were like, I don't want to like give myself completely to this person because I don't want to get hurt. Okay, so you took your time getting to know this person. You took your time committing to them. You wanted to make sure that this was the right decision. This could be why you're stuck, because you were like, man, when I met this person, I made sure I didn't rush into things. I made sure I took my time with them. I made sure I took my time to really get to know them. And you would kind of feel like this person, deceived you in some type of way. You could feel like this person was being deceptive, being sneaky. We do have the Seven of Swords here. This could also be you being sneaky yourself. Now, maybe you are doing some deceptive shit yourself. Like I said, this could be like, maybe, you're not being 100% honest with them. And I'm gonna see, let me ask, why is the Seven of Swords here? Why is the Seven of Swords here? Okay, so maybe you guys could have met someone new, and like you could be like entertaining this new person, So it could be like you felt stuck with your past person, and then you met someone new who kind of helped you to get out of that energy, and you are entertaining them. These things are so good. Like, I don't know if you guys buy these, whatever, but they're really good. They're made with no sugar, no artificial sweeteners, caffeine free. I don't drink them all the time because you can't trust a lot of these things. But if you're going to drink any type of soda, this is a better option. But anyways, I'm sorry to cut the reading to talk about that. Just giving a suggestion. That's what I feel. I feel like maybe you might have like met someone. Maybe you were kind of like being deceptive. Maybe you like entertaining this other person that you met. Okay. Sorry about that. I kind of see two things here. So you could have been the deceptive one. You could have had somebody else on the side that you met, that you was entertaining, that you was putting a lot of passion into. And then for others of you, this could be this other person that was being deceptive towards you with another woman. Now, I also see something with a pregnancy here, so I don't know. For some of you, you could have actually got pregnant by the person you had on the side, or the person that you was dealing with, they was being deceptive and they got someone else pregnant. So there was definitely some type of deception going on between you and this person, and it really has you stuck. Like, you really don't know how to move forward. Now, I feel like you're also stuck too because I feel like you did want a higher commitment with this person, and I feel like you are on for the most part a very traditional person. So you wanted a traditional relationship with this person. You wanted things to move forward, but it looks like you guys are pretty much on a break right now. So I don't really feel like it's over completely between you and this person, but y'all are on a break right now. And although you guys are on a break, you're still hung over on this person. Like, you really just don't know what to do. You know, you're like, yeah, we're on a break, but like, is this really over? Are we gonna fully break up? You're just very confused. Yeah, you're trying to think about this in a logical way. You're trying to make a head of a heart decision, but you feel rejected. You feel rejected by this person. This person, to you, you feel like this is your soulmate. You feel like you guys are compatible. You feel like this is someone that you could see yourself being with for a very long time. I really feel like you wanted a higher commitment with this person. You were viewing this person as your life partner. That's what I'm seeing though. Somebody has another person. Y'all both could have another person. It could have been a relationship where you cheated, they cheated, y'all both cheated on each other. Someone was doing something though, and someone got pregnant. So y'all can let me know in the comments who was doing the cheating. I mean, I really don't have to tell you. I could leave that in the comments because y'all already do anyways. So you already know. Alright, so I'm going to ask Spirit to reveal to me how this person that you're dealing with, how do they feel about you? How are they feeling about them right now? Spirit guys, please tell me, how is this person feeling about them right now? You probably had a second person. But really, yeah, I think you might have been the one with the other person. You were the one with the third party. But part of me kind of feel like y'all both cheated on each other. Ooh, some heavy energy here. So this person is feeling betrayed by you. Okay, they feel backstabbed by you. Okay, they feel like you haven't been 100% honest with them. They feel like you are keeping secrets from them. They feel like they don't know what you've been up to and what you're currently up to. You're like this mystery. They can't read you. They can't quite figure you out. But their intuition is telling them that you are keeping secrets from them and that you have betrayed them and backstabbed them. So I do feel like it's you who has another person. But I don't know why, but my spirit's telling me that they cheated too. And you may have not actually physically cheated. You may have just like flirted with someone or whatever, you know, but to them, they take it as a betrayal. And this person is trying to make a decision. They're trying to decide. They're trying to plan how they're going to move forward. Okay? I feel like this person is no longer happy with this situation. This person is not complacent with this anymore. They're like, you know what? There's more out there. There's more I want to explore. It's kind of like this energy of like, is the grass green on the other side? And they feel like it is green on the other side. And I feel like they want to end this. I do. I feel like they want to end this. And I feel like they're making a lot of plans. They're about to really take action. And I feel like the plans that they're deciding to make is to explore their other options. To explore other people. That's why I feel like there was cheating on both sides. If not cheating, there's definite, like, you both are definitely in positions where you both can, like, date other people. Yeah, I think this person's gonna move on. I think they want to move on. This person may even be deciding to travel. Okay, they may decide to travel to see their family for Christmas, or, well, you know, Christmas is over, but like, I'm trying to say, like, maybe over like the Christmas break they had decided to, like, you know, go hang out with their family, and maybe they may stay longer just to like get their head right, but they're trying to find their balance and their peace. Yeah, they're going through some major changes. Things are shifting. This almost feels like this is kind of out of both of your hands. Like, this is like the divine stepping in and the universe shifting things because this just wasn't working out. I really feel like you both cheated on each other. Yeah, they're ready to have a new start. There's a lot of major arcanas in the world. Yeah, there's a lot of major arcanas in their energy. So, and this doesn't surprise me because, like I said, it's January. It's 2020. It's not just a new year. It's a new decade. People's minds start to change. So to them, this is over. This is a chapter that they just don't want to be a part of anymore. So I feel like this person is ready to end this chapter. To them, they're like, this is over. That's how I see it. Their energy is, this is over. This isn't going to work. So what am I staying here for? That's their vibe. All right, so before you guys go, I'm going to show you something really quickly.